What's going on, guys? James here with another video. Is free plus shipping dead? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So with that, let's get right into it. Here's the thing, whenever you're building pixel data, building a campaign, doing research, strategizing for how you're going to scale your shop, what the big problem with free plus shipping offers is that you're not always attracting the right type of people to your page. Building that pixel data, you're often going to find people and attract people that don't have that much money, aren't really the most qualified consumers to be buying from you. So you're going to have kind of worse pixel data than you could have had with a retail offer. For example, right now I'm doing a 50% offer for one of the products that I'm promoting right now. When I had a free plus shipping offer, I got hundreds and hundreds of add to carts, initiate checkouts, but very few purchases. But the purchases that I did have made it worth it, made it profitable, but my pixel data was not very good at all. I had just a bunch of bad, irrelevant data that I can't really develop a great lookalike audience from. So that's what you need to be careful with free plus shipping offers. It's absolutely not dead, but what it is good for is creating a offer that allows you to figure out who wants this product. Not always the demographics and the economics behind these people that are buying from you, but the mere fact that you're figuring out what type of age, what type of gender, what type of person likes that product and wants it, what their interests are, and then with that data you can target those people, create a retail offer around that, build pixel data with that information, and you can create a much better campaign with that type of data, and you figure out things much faster. So doing a free plus shipping offer is great in the beginning if you're just wanting to get started, if you're wanting to make a quick profit that you can then reinvest into Facebook ads. But the main goal of a free plus shipping offer should be is not only just profiting, but figuring out in more detail exactly what type of people are interested in that product so that you can create a retail offer around that where you're targeting people within that qualified demographic that are much more likely to buy, and that you can create much better pixel data around, because the type of offer that you have, the bait that you have, will attract a certain type of person. That's why you got to be careful with your offers and exactly what you're trying to provide to your customers, because certain products, certain offers will attract either the right or the wrong type of people. That's why I always say you have to have the right offer in front of the right people at the right time, and that's how you really blow things up. And if you can manage to do that and gather enough data, then you can definitely scale with that on Facebook ads, doing more Instagram based ads, whatever. You can really scale if you have that right information. So everything is really a stepping stone. It's a process that you have to go through figuring things out. It can be quite difficult in the beginning. I mean, as a beginner, I can imagine that if you don't have many technical skills, or you just don't know too much about how things work online, I can definitely see how that would be quite difficult. But once you get it going, once you figure out the intricacies, the ins and outs, you'll find that it's quite simple. And that's why I really want to be providing as much value as I can every single day to you guys, because I have so much experience with computers, programming, software, that I've been programming websites since I was 9. I created my first multiplayer game at 11. I published my first app at the age of 16. I know what I'm doing with information technology. It's really simple for me. It's literally child's play. I did it when I was a child. I'm doing it now, and I'm also into the e-commerce space now, app development, and internet marketing for local and international brands. So that's really what I'm into now. That's why I feel so obligated to provide as much value as I can for free. I want to give my best content away for free, because there's so many people like me that really want to get to where they want to be, and I really wish back then I had the resources and the capabilities to get to where I wanted to be much faster, because I could have done so much more when I was younger, but now I have to catch up because I I tried and I succeeded learning it all on my own because I had no one really to mentor me. I just knew I wanted to do it, and I did it. I was obsessed with action, and I figured it out myself. But now I want to be there for people who don't really have the time or the capabilities to, you know, do trial and error. I want to save people time. So that's why I'm doing all of this today, and I want to be doing daily uploads now. I actually made a bet with one of my students. I bet him $100 if I fail to make a YouTube video every single day in February, then I have to pay him $100. And the reason why I'm doing that is because if I can make a YouTube video every single day in February, then it'll become a habit. I need to be more consistent with things on YouTube. I really want to do it, so that's why I made that bet. Anyways, as I've said, free plus shipping is not dead. You just have to be careful about exactly what you're doing with it, what your end goal is, and exactly how you want to push from there, and not to mess up your pixel data. I'm actually going to make a video about that, Facebook ads, more in detail, how to set up custom conversions, how to set up your pixel, how to create ad campaigns, retargeting, all of that good stuff. That video is coming soon. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found any value, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow.